Hello everyone, my name is Nathan and welcome to this presentation on Tailwind CS framework. Today I'm introducing to you to this powerful and popular CS framework that can make your work, your web development workflow faster and more efficient. Tailwind is a utility-first CS framework that emphasizes on using the predefined classes to quickly style your HTML elements. With this Tailwind CS framework, you can build complex web layouts and designs um, without having to write custom CS like from the scratch. And yeah, this will save you a lot of time and a lot of energy and effort during your development process. This framework also is well known for its modular and customized design. You can easily modify its configuration file to change colors, typography, and other design elements to fit your brand or maybe your design language. And additionally, I would say it provides responsive design tools that enable you to create web layouts that adapt to different screens and devices. Tailwind CS framework has gained a lot of popularity in the web development community in recent years because of some good reasons. Number one being very fast. Second one, it is an efficient way to style your web projects, and it can help you create consistent and reusable design patterns across your site. In this presentation, we are going to take a close look at some of its features that and then we can explore some of the benefits. So maybe you'll find this presentation informative and helpful, and it can help you to ease your work during your development process. So like as you see on the screen, I did my research on their official website, the Tailwind CS. They have other social channels like YouTube channel. It has a lot of videos. There are almost like 7 or 10. I didn't watch all of them, so I would recommend that you visit their YouTube channel and then you watch all those videos. You can learn more of what I did or what I'm not going to discuss, or maybe what I will miss out. Yeah, they have a Discord community also. This one also you can join, and then you join the developers who are already using this software. Yeah, so it will help you a lot. And maybe to take a quick example on some of the websites that are using this framework. We are all using the GitHub. Yeah, seeing that's why they are using this framework, and you can see how fast and how efficient it is. Okay, so let's get started. On installation, if you decide to use it, you will have to install the JavaScript package manager. I think most of us we already have this one installed, so this one okay, I would recommend that you visit their official website and then you follow the pattern. So this is my I'm giving a preview according to my research. On your terminal, you are going to install it. You install Node Package Manager, like how you see it in green, and number one. And then number two, you will install npx Tailwind CS int. So that one will generate for you a Tailwind file, and that file, that's what you are going to That's what you will use for configuration. Yeah, and then step number 3, you have to apply them on your CS file by importing them, like how you see those files which I have imported. And those last two, they are a little bit of examples. So I applied them and then they worked. Unfortunately, I won't be uh, applying them live on my screen so that you can see. So I'd recommend that you may check. You may take your time and you check on this wonderful feature. So on number 3 on our main, we are going to talk about some of the features that you need to know before you start using this framework. And these are the basic concepts, the utility classes. As we said, this framework is based on the predefined classes. So when you apply it, it will scan all the classes that you have in your HTML elements, and then you can modify them. You can set background color, the font size, the padding, yeah, to their corresponding values. There are some examples like text SM and PX 4, that's padding. I think you are used to it also. Yeah, so even this text SM, you can see it's the font, it is representing the font size. Maybe on the background side, the 500 is representing the opacity. Yes, that's it. So, and I'm sure some of you like me have not been used to it, so this will help us not to scratch our heads. So it will set some. We will not begin from the scratch. We already have where to begin from. So number 2 is on the responsive design. The Tailwind has a set of utility classes that enable you to create styles that adapt to different screen sizes and devices. Some of the examples, they are also like text XL. Yeah, for I think some of you are used to wearing clothes, you know these sizes. There is XL. There is okay, so like XL, it applies styles on screens that are larger than 640, and we have MD that applies styles to screens on larger than 768. So basically, this will bring your page to be responsive by creating the responsive designs. And the number 3, the concept number 3 is on the modular scale. This modular scale is it ensures that all your design elements on your website are proportionally spaced and well sized. So anyway, to define for you the modular scale, it is a series of numbers that relate to each other in a mathematical way that is consistent. So like for example, you can set the font size of your headings by using like a text 2XL, or you can set like text 4XL according to the size of your headings. Maybe you can begin with H1, H2, you set like text XL4, and then it will apply to all your headings like as you've set in the configuration file. And so this brings us to our last topic, the conclusion. On some of the advantages, it has a rapid prototyping. This utility allows you to quickly prototype the designs without having to write your custom CS styles from scratch. On the it is consistent, like how like already we mentioned, it is consistent. We can continue to use to reuse our patterns, our designs on our page without having to change anything else. Maybe like you can set a button, and then all the buttons that you have, they will be already custom and they will be already there. So when you call that button, already it will design itself automatically. It has already been designed. Yes, and on the responsive side, we talked of the utilities that make it easy to create designs that work well on a range of devices and screen sizes. Yeah, so I would recommend to learn more um, by visiting their website, and you read on the documentation, which is an excellent way for learning how to use this framework. And also you visit the YouTube channel. I actually visited the website and the YouTube channel. That's where I learned more about this, and maybe I will have to learn more in the more coming days. And lastly, they have a Discord community. This is a great place for you to ask questions, and you share ideas, and you get feedback from other developers who are using this framework. Yeah, okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a good weekend.